driving these beautiful cars. So now we take a tour of the Val de Vienne circuit with this young up-and-coming star. So into second corner for the opening right-hander, quite a tight one there. Then third gear for the following left-hander. And finally, after that twisty-turny start to the circuit, quite a decent-sized straight here. A real chance to spread those legs. Hard on the brakes now into the right-hander. And a little kink there. Accelerating all the time through that. Heavy on the brakes down into second corner for that tight right-hander there. A very technical circuit, this. And for a 1 hour race, one would imagine quite hard work for the drivers. They're past the pit entrance and back across the start-finish line.